Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's probably not Monday for you watching this, but regardless, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is our last full day in Jasper. I'm gonna go exploring. Everyone else is gone skiing. I'm taking the day off skiing. I will not be participating in today. Jasper got 5 centimeters of snow overnight and I'm not ready for that. I'm just learning how to ski and all that stuff, so I didn't want to rinse myself out. I just finished up a little bit of work and now I'm gonna go explore downtown, and I figured I'd bring you with me. Currently put on my jacket and I got my boots on. I'm just packing my backpack because I figured it's easier just to have that on, have my wallet in there and stuff like that, rather than just carrying it and that. So anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna go grab myself a coffee, go through some of the shop, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So I'll bring you guys along. Getting ready here. I put on my, my everyday Ana Luisa earrings. They actually just sent me the most beautiful necklace. It has a bee on it for Brendan. Look at how cute that is. Just love it so much. So yes, now Brendan's always with me. Anyway, actually, now that I'm already talking about Ana Luisa, I might as well tell you that they kindly gifted me these products for today's video. Well, they gifted me this necklace for today's video. They also sent over the most beautiful bracelet, which I'm gonna wear tonight for dinner, because I'm assuming we're gonna go out for like our last night here. But look at how stunning this bracelet is. I'll show you better tonight, like when it's on and stuff like that. But it is so dainty and so beautiful. I love it so much. They're actually running a sale right now, or I think it's buy one, get one 40% off. Definitely go check them out. Their jewelry is amazing. I've had these earrings for over a year and I wear them every single day. They're just still so beautiful, the best quality. Very, very affordable pricing, may I add. Like, I think it's very beautiful, luxurious at a very affordable price. And they're sustainable, all that stuff. So they're one of my favorite jewelry brands ever. So I would highly recommend going check them out. So I'm gonna leave all their information in the description so you can go check it out. So anyway, I'm just gonna pack my bag. It is pretty cold out right now, so I have on a nice turtleneck, my golf sweater, and my jacket, and then underneath I have my ski socks and my leggings over my splash pants. So my splash pants aren't super warm, but it'll like keep me insulated with my leggings on and stuff. So yeah, anyway, enough chatting. Let's get ready to go. Okay, off we go. Beautiful. Oh my god. I love this so much. I want to move here. Look at the sun coming up over there. Move this over. Got myself a chai tea latte from the other Bear Paw Cafe. It's a little warm and I don't have a microwave. All right, I also got a cinnamon bun, so I'm gonna have to eat that cold as well. Oh well. Man, walking through snow for like over an hour. Actually, I was gone for like 2 hours. I think I left here around 10 and it's 12:30. There were some cute shops and stuff like that. I was gonna buy a couple clothing items and stuff, but then I realized I just have a carry-on and my carry-on was pretty heavy coming here, or like pretty full, so I saved myself some money. I didn't buy anything, did the smart thing. Chai is very good. I'm really hungry. I do have leftovers from last night. We went to the Dead Dog or something like that pub. So I have a beef dip and sweet potato fries waiting for me. So I'll just eat those cold. That's fine. I think the curling is on right now. So it's the women's national curling. So fun fact, I used to curl and I curled competitively. I did that for a long time. I think I started when I was 6 and I stopped when I was 21, 22. I think I was 21. Anyway, but I don't do that anymore. So I'm gonna watch that, do a couple of emails, probably take a nap, because honestly, I'm really tired and my legs are really sore. My knee is still bothering me from skiing. So I'm just loading up the A535. I think I'm gonna do that for a little bit and just kind of relax. Today's kind of like my Sunday, I guess, because it's just kind of like chill, just doing my own thing. I like it. It's very nice. I haven't done this in a while. Oh, I got my cinnamon roll. Don't tell Brendan, but I'm eating in the bed. threw on Brendan's sweater because I'm freezing in here. I don't know why I'm so cold. But like since I've been back, I just can't get warm. So put the kettle on. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea here a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna have some lunch now. So I'll show you yesterday's pub food. These sweet potato fries are so good. Oh, so yummy. Anyway, while I was there, I ran into their market. I picked up this wild tea kombucha cola with elderberry. So I figured I would try it. Get my first impressions on camera. I can open it with one hand. There we go. Oh, it's fizzing. Oh, that is really good. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. Okay, I want to find that in Ontario. That is so good. I really like that. They had other flavors. They had like cream soda and root beer and stuff, but I'm not a big fan of those just on their own, so I figured I would like this one, which I do, so that's good. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock. I'm still watching the curling. I'm watching Canada play Alberta, which is cool. Just gonna have my lunch. Yeah, that's my plan for right now, and I'm kind of enjoying it. I love this! So pretty. Doing it for a TikTok gram. We're just gonna run.
Yeah.
We're at getting a beaver tail. Oh my god, my face is so red. First beaver tail. I missed it. Looking at. Oh, I'm excited, but kind of nervous. I'm getting her first beaver tail today, and I kind of want to film the entire experience. Oh. Come on in. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. It's very peanut buttery. Almost used a plaster. Whoa. I'm just gonna say, I just got the... Come on, me to hold it for you? Oh, your hands are full, that's okay. It's okay.
I can do
it. Okay. Okay. Emily's trying her first beaver tail. I can't see if I'm looking at it. That's good. That's very good.
Love it. Did it meet your expectations?
Yeah, I didn't even know what to expect.
So good.
Nice. Hello. Oh my goodness. We just came back from dinner. So I'm just gonna get myself organized. I figured I'd just come on and say hello. I'm wearing the beautiful jewelry from Ana Luisa. So obsessed with all of it. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for sending that over. Absolutely love it. So they're having a Valentine's Day sale. So definitely treat yourself or treat your loved ones this holiday and buy yourself some jewelry. Buy one, get one, 40% off. It's a great sale. So they'll leave their website in my description, and they'll leave the links to all the products I'm wearing down below so you can go shop them if you'd like. I highly recommend, especially these earrings. They're absolutely amazing. I've had them for so long. I think they're the Venus earrings if I'm not mistaken, but they're one of my favorite. I literally wear them every single day. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I'm just gonna end it here so I can quickly tidy up. Oh, wait a second, I'll give you a quick room tour. So, before I tidy up, because this will actually help me remember to clean out the fridge before we go. Also, the beaver tail, oh my god, it was so good. We hung up all our ski stuff here. Then we had our own bathroom. So this was our shower. We had a jacuzzi, which was so nice. I went in it the other day and it was just so relaxing. But yeah, but look at how big the mirrors are. It was so nice getting ready in this and having all the nice stuff. So they also had bathrobes. That was a nice touch. Then this was our little like kitchen. Had some like wine glasses and regular glasses and cups. Although I wanted to wash these dishes, but there's no soap. So I think I'm just gonna have to be rude and leave it. I don't know if that was intentional. Oh, is there soap in here? Nope. Okay. Coffee maker and a tea. Maybe I'll make myself a tea before I go to bed too, because it is 8 o'clock. But yeah. So then we had 2 beds. We used that bed. That's just like my bed that I napped in, and just had my clothes laid out on the place, so it was easy to see. Had a nice little desk, a big TV. And then our view, I don't think you'd be able to see anything, but you could see the mountains. You could see the mountains and stuff like that, but it's just kind of the inside there. But look at how snowy the trees are. So much snow, it was so beautiful. And it's kind of snowing right now. So So yeah. And then the restaurant was right there, so that was very convenient, especially for today. So that was nice. I did buy some chocolates while I was out today. I got Elk Crossing Elk chocolate or something like that. It's called Elk, and then there was a moose one, and it literally just looks like it's just chocolate turtles, like with pecans and stuff in it. There's one with cashews and there was one with pecans. So I saved it for us to have tonight after dinner, but everyone's exhausted. So I will save those for the car ride tomorrow, and we can eat it on the plane, because I don't think we're gonna want heavy chocolates at like 5 a.m. or even 8. Anyway, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a really fun day just being by myself, honestly. I'm very introverted in that way and just enjoy my alone time, especially when I trip with other people and stuff. Even when I'm with Brendan, I need my alone time. So I really appreciated today just to be by myself and just do my own thing. So it was really nice, and I love Jasper. It's so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy. See you all on my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and yeah, talk to you later. Bye.